Hi, my name's Taylor. I'm the marine biologist on the Explorer boat. Come and join us for a super fun and interactive tour of the beautiful Murrells Inlet marshlands, just south of Myrtle. It's fun for the whole family. We'll cruise our calm saltwater marsh on the Explorer. Our big open-air pontoon-style boat, covered for shade, with a bathroom on board and plenty of snacks and drinks if you get hungry along the way. On the tour, you'll get to check out our live touch tanks full of cool local sea life like oysters, crabs, starfish, and more. As we cruise, I will guide you through what you're seeing as well as share some fun facts and stories about the amazing creatures that thrive in the marsh. Then, we'll stop at the local beach where you can hop off, hunt for seashells, and learn all about the different treasures you find. It's a perfect mix of exploring, learning, and just soaking up the beauty of the marsh. Book your spot today and let's go exploring.